안녕하세요. 제 이름은 디샨다입니다. What's going on, everyone? It's your girl D here, back again with, yes, an unboxing for you. Today I will be unboxing this here. This is my SoSusan or ColorCurate bag. I will leave all the information down below about SoSusan. I have been getting this subscription now for 1 year. I just never unboxed it on my channel because I had stopped doing unboxings on my channel for a while and was focusing more on Asian dramas and movies. But now I'm getting back into unboxings, and this is one of my favorite subscriptions right here. I absolutely love it. I use everything that is in these bags I get. I use them all the time. This bag is $21 a month. You can pay either every 3 months or every 6 months. Because I love it so much, I just go for the long haul and pay for it every 6 months. Yeah, this subscription ain't going nowhere. And like I said, the information will be down below. It's now called ColorCurate. It used to be called SoSusan. So if I say SoSusan or ColorCurate, just know I'm talking about the same thing because I flip back and forth. But the official name is ColorCurate. And what I like about this subscription is that every product that you get is 100% cruelty-free, not tested on animals. So if you are vegan and you're looking for a subscription that's makeup that is cruelty-free, this is the best one out there in my opinion. They no longer shipped overseas. They used to ship overseas a lot, but they stopped that effective April the 1st. So they only ship in the United States. I do know that. And you only get products from one of 3 companies. You'll get products from either SoSusan, Truffle Cosmetics, or Jelly Pong Pong. And I've been happy with everything. And they all smell. If you're sensitive to smells, you may not like this subscription because all of their products tend to smell like, you know, cupcakes and things like that. I personally like it. It doesn't bother me. You get a lot of full-size products. Almost everything is full-size. Let me repeat that. Everything is full-size. From highlighters to lipsticks to eyeshadow palettes, all that stuff. Every highlighter that I use on my face, even the one I'm wearing right now, came from a SoSusan bag that I got. No doubt. So, alright, let me get into it and stop babbling. So, these are the bags. This is what they look like. There's always a quote on their bags, which I love. And this one says, "Bloom where you are planted." That is the theme. And that's what the back of the bag looks like. It's very pretty for this month. And by the way, like I said, I've been getting this for a year. And I first learned about SoSusan, you know, a couple of years ago. They've been around for a very long time. I saw some unboxings, and a lot of people from the UK were doing the unboxings. And I thought maybe I wasn't sure about it or not. But something happened in January of 2017. They completely revamped their look. They revamped their bags. Their bags started coming out like this with the quotes on them. And the products just got better. So I'm glad I subscribed when I did. There is a card that comes in here. As you can see, the card always matches the bag. It says ColorCurate. And it tells you the theme and everything that we get in the bag. And it has price amounts also. So I will tell you the value is $86. All right. And you always get a bonus item. Alright, so everything in this bag is cruelty-free also. I think I said that. They don't test on animals. First thing I see is Rainbow Bling from Truffle Cosmetics. It looks like that. I love the packaging of Truffle Cosmetics. What the box looks like. There's the other side there. It's very small writing. What are you? Oh, you're a pigment. Okay, so this is an eyeshadow pigment is what this is. And this is what it's green, as you can see. Truffle Cosmetics right there. Let me open this up. And yeah, it's green. It was sealed, but I did break the seal on this because I wanted to use it. And I did a little bit, but that's what it looks like. Very pretty, though. It's a very pretty green color. Nice. Nice for spring. It's a nice spring green color. Let me say that. Next thing I got in my bag. This is from Jelly Pong Pong. This is the hydrating lip gloss right here. This is what the packaging looks like. Oh, very pretty. Right there, as you can see. Let's turn it over this way so you can read that. By the way, this here, how much are you worth? Truffle Cosmetics, bling, bling, bling. Okay, this one is worth $15, and you could have got one of 3 colors. So they're doing variations with these bags now, I'm noticing. This is the first time I've noticed it, though. You either got pistachio butter, avocado jam, or kiwi smoothie. And the color I got was kiwi smoothie, by the way. All right, let's open up this Jelly Pong Pong what is this? Lip gloss here. The Jelly Pong Pong lip gloss is a bonus item, and I got it in the color Necessity. Yes, Lord. And this is the color. This beautiful berry color. I'm happy about it. Happy, happy, joy, joy. Let's see here. Smells good, too. That's what the color looks like there. It's just a burgundy color. This is up my alley. I think I'll take this with me when I go traveling in about a month or so. In June, when I go to my nephew's wedding. All right, next up from SoSusan. I got the Cashmere Matte Long Lasting Lipstick. And it looks like that there. And the color I got is Cardinal. This is worth $21. And here's what she looks like. This is what it looks like. Very pretty, as you can see. Is that backwards? Yeah, it is. Sorry about that. There you go. And, oh, this smells like straight up chocolate. Oh, my gosh. And again, this color is up my alley. See that dark berry color? Yes, yes, yes. Sorry, guys. I don't do swatches because I don't know how to do them. There's some girls out there that do some amazing swatches. I can't do that. I think my hands are too bony and weird to do that. Even though my friend out there said there's nothing wrong with your hands. So thank you, girl. Good looking out. All right. Last but not least, the SoSusan Lip Dew. This is a moisturizing tinted lip balm. This is in the color Berry Burst. It is by SoSusan Cosmetics. And that is what the packaging looks like there. There's the other side there. There's that leaping bunny that lets us know it is cruelty free. Let's see what Berry Burst looks like. Oh yeah, Berry Burst. This is what it looks like in the packaging. And ooh, this smells good. It smells fruity. And it's... SoSusan knows me because this is a very dark color and I love this. But I bet you it goes on sheer. I bet you it does. I'm not going to swatch it because, yeah, I'm going to wait to use that. Alright, guys, that's everything that I got in my SoSusan Lip Love bag for April 2018. If you want me to continue to unbox this on my channel, let me know and I will. There are some people that unboxed it that I've looked on YouTube, but the videos are like 2 years old. There's nothing up to date. But yeah, I love the subscription. So let's recap right quick. I got the SoSusan Lip Dew, which is amazingly awesome and Berry Burst. I got the Cardinal SoSusan Cashmere Matte Lip Pencil. Awesome. In Kiwi Strawberry, I got the Rainbow Bling, which is that beautiful green eyeshadow. I cannot wait to use that. And then last but not least, I got the Jelly Pong Pong Hydrating Lip Gloss in Necessity. Packaging looks like that. Alright guys, thank you for watching this video. Again, thanks to my new and my old subscribers. I am on the road to 1,000. When I reach 1,000 subscribers, there will be a giveaway. As I mentioned before, I know exactly what I'm going to do, but I will announce that when I hit 1,000 subscribers. Don't forget to rate, comment, subscribe, and I'll talk to you next time. Have a fantastic day. Bye-bye.
넌 나고 난 나